All right, Mama Corn, Baby Colonel, let's make our family proud.
Look, Papa, Ladybug. Oh, my little one, be careful.
Next in line, please.
Welcome.
Colonel Tatto, we only need one. The Corn family does not wait. The Corn family arrives strategically early. Welcome, Colonel. I assure you, Dow, this clinic runs a very tight ship. The recruit is highly spirited.
Excellent reflexes.
The Corn family dandy, perfectly healthy, top of the crop. Ha ha! You got him, baby! Oops, almost lost my step there. Ha! That tickled.